Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect jasmine rice. So all you need is rice and water and salt. Okay, so let's go. So first we're going to go ahead and start off with 3 cups of water to 2 cups of rice. So you want to use 1.5 cups of water per cup of rice. And that is the secret to jasmine rice. It's not like long grain rice, it's not like brown rice. So let's go. We're going to go ahead and add some salt to season the rice. And this is all the seasoning you really need for the rice is a little bit of salt, not a lot, just a little. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add our 2 cups of rice. Once you see the water starts to boil, not to boil, but once you start seeing the bubbles, then add your rice. So stir your rice up one time and then leave it alone and then place the top on the pot. Didn't bother the rice or nothing, so it is done. I cooked it for 8 to 10 minutes, but make sure you taste it. If it tastes too hard, then just put the top back on and let it cook a little longer, but do not add no additional water or anything. So it is fluffy, it is perfect, and yeah, 8 to 10 minutes, that's it. Jasmine rice is the fastest rice to cook. So here's a little tip when you want to be sexy for your man and you're cooking dinner. Okay, so go ahead and fluff the rice a little bit more. Put it in a small little ramekin or a cute little bowl. Spoon the rice in the little bowl. Flatten the rice and then flip it upside down onto the plate. And that's how you're going to make your man love you, because you got this beautiful rice. Okay, so now the rice is looking beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and season it with my special seasoning and add some parsley flakes. And there you go, boos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your family and friends. And that's it. This is the perfect date night rice. Go ahead and show your boo that you're a culinary artist, even though you ain't. But yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Bye.